This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 23 Exception Handling I. In large software projects, proper design, coding, and testing are crucial, and Java's exception handling mechanism sets it apart by enabling fault-free, error-free, and robust program development. Compile time errors result from code not following syntax rules and are reported by the compiler, while runtime errors occur when properly compiled code gives incorrect output or terminates abruptly, with the latter being more critical and requiring careful handling. While compile time errors are easier to identify and fix, runtime errors can be more challenging, such as when a program compiles but fails for certain inputs, like accepting an integer input but encountering an unknown format error for a float input, highlighting the need for robust programming. Exception handling allows programs to handle errors gracefully, with the compiler checking for syntax errors and the runtime system checking for runtime errors, triggering exceptions that programmers can catch and handle to prevent abnormal termination. Java's exception handling mechanism provides runtime error management, catching errors to prevent premature program termination and data or system damage, complementing memory management and synchronization mechanisms. The 5 keywords used in Java exception handling are try, catch, throw, throws, and finally, with try blocks identifying potential error sources, catch blocks handling specific errors, and finally blocks executing regardless of errors for cleanup code. Simple try-catch block structure encloses code that may cause an exception in a try block, with the catch block specifying actions when an exception occurs, requiring explicit try-catch blocks for runtime exception handling, as demonstrated in a code example. To illustrate a simple try-catch block, a divide by zero scenario is handled by enclosing the division code in a try block, catching the exception in the catch block, and prompting the user to enter a non-zero value for the divisor if zero is passed, creating a robust program for various inputs. Programs that previously had potential errors for certain inputs, leading to abnormal termination, can now be made robust by utilizing try-catch blocks to handle exceptions and prevent program crashes, ensuring correct execution for all inputs, even invalid ones. While the video covers the basics of try-catch blocks, it also mentions additional features for effective program writing and more robust exception handling, enabling further discussion beyond the introduction. Exception handling is a crucial aspect of Java that enables robust programming by gracefully managing errors, with compile time errors being easier to fix than critical runtime errors, try-catch blocks catching exceptions and preventing abnormal program termination, input checking helping to avoid runtime errors for expected data types, and Java providing structured error organization via an exception hierarchy, as well as additional keywords like finally and throw for advanced error handling. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.